Stepping into the world of jewellery making can feel like a huge leap, especially when it comes to tools and machinery. One of the biggest barriers isn't just the price tag, it's the uncertainty. Will I know how to use it? What if something goes wrong? Who do I turn to for help? At Cooksongold, we've heard it time and time again from jewellers at every stage of their journey. It's why we've built our support around real people with real expertise who are with you from day one. When you purchase a piece of equipment from us, whether it's a polishing machine, a rolling mill, or a laser welder, you're not left to figure it out on your own. Our technical team are ready to provide one-to-one guidance tailored specifically to your needs. Meet Scott and Abby, just two of our highly skilled in-house technicians. You can see them in action, showcasing everything from precision hand tools to our powerful machinery. Whether you're getting started or levelling up your workshop, Scott and Abby are here to make the process smoother, more accessible, and a lot less intimidating. We know there is no substitute for a trained expert physically showing you how something works and letting you try for yourself. They'll answer your questions, offer tips, and give you the confidence to dive in. They're very hands-on, highly knowledgeable, and genuinely passionate about helping you succeed. Whether you need support over the phone, by video, or in person, we're here to make sure your tools work for you. You'll never be stuck or second guessing. Instead, you'll have a clear pathway forward, guided by people who care about your progress as much as you do. Jewellery making should be exciting, not overwhelming. With the Cooksongold team by your side, you'll always have the knowledge, support, and confidence you need to make something truly brilliant. Book a demo today in store or online through our website.